In this video, we step into a temple that guards the world's greatest secret. A temple where gold worth billions lies hidden beneath sacred chambers. Where locked doors, sealed by divine power, have resisted human greed for centuries. Welcome to Samskara Samskriti, where we bring you the untold stories of Bharat's glorious history, traditions, and movements that shaped our nation. The eternal Lord Vishnu, in the heart of Thiruvananthapuram, whose very name means the land of Lord Anantha, lies the Sri Ananta Padmanabha Swami temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu in his eternal form, reclining on the mighty serpent Ananta Shesha. This temple isn't just a place of worship, it's a gateway between history, faith, and mystery. The deity here, Padmanabha Swami, rests on the endless coils of the serpent, symbolizing the cosmic ocean. From his navel, the lotus of creation emerges, and with it, Lord Brahma himself. A vision so divine, it said even gods paused to witness it. A temple older than history itself. No one knows exactly when this temple was built. Ancient texts trace its origins back over 5,000 years, mentioning it in the Skandha Purana and Padma Purana. Yet the structure we see today was reconstructed in the 18th century by the rulers of Travancore, a royal dynasty that declared in 1750 that their kingdom belonged not to the king but to Lord Padmanabha himself. The king, Martanda Varma, called himself Padmanabha Dasa, the servant of the Lord, and ruled the land as his trustee. To this day, every Travancore royal successor follows this sacred oath. The hidden vaults and the secret of the gold. For centuries, whispers surrounded the temple of secret vaults, guarded by serpents and sealed by divine mantras. In 2011, the Supreme Court of India ordered the opening of these mysterious chambers. What was found shook the world. Behind the thick granite doors lay gold, diamonds, antique jewels, and sacred artifacts worth over 1.4 lakh crore, making it the richest temple in the world. Golden thrones, crowns studded with emeralds, ceremonial weapons, and coins dating back to the Roman Empire, all hidden beneath the feet of the sleeping Lord Vishnu. Each vault revealed unimaginable treasures, except one. Vault B, the door that must not be opened. Among the 6 known vaults, one remains untouched. Vault B, known as Kallara B, is said to be protected by divine powers. It bears an enormous door without any mechanical lock, only mystical serpent carvings and sacred symbols. Local legends say that it can only be opened by a powerful chant, the Garuda Mantra, performed by saints of immense purity. Anyone attempting to break it by force would invite divine wrath. It's believed that a massive serpent guards the vault, and opening it would unleash calamities upon the world. To this day, Vault B remains sealed, untouched, mysterious, and sacred. Architectural grandeur. The temple's Dravidian architecture radiates divinity. Its towering gopuram rises over 100 feet high, carved with intricate deities and celestial scenes. The idol of Padmanabha Swami is unique. 18 feet long, made of salagramam stones combined with herbs and precious elements known as Katusarkara Yogam. You can view the deity through 3 massive doors. The first reveals the Lord's face, the second, his hands resting on Ananta, and the third, his lotus feet, symbolizing moksha, the ultimate liberation. The faith, the mystery, the divinity. Every ritual, every lamp lit within these walls echoes the Travancore royal vow. This wealth belongs to Lord Padmanabha, not to man. While the world debates its value in gold, devotees see something far beyond, a treasure of faith, discipline, and surrender. Because what lies beneath the temple may be gold, but what radiates from it is the light of belief that has never dimmed for thousands of years. So what do you think? Should Vault B remain forever sealed, or should mankind uncover what lies beyond? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. If you loved this journey through one of India's most mysterious temples, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Because every temple hides a story. And at Samskara Samskriti, we bring those stories back to life.